exams are there in ACCA? When are the exams conducted? Where are the exams conducted? What are these different levels like applied knowledge, skills, and strategic professionals in this ACCA course? And what is this EPSM, PER? Oh, I'm so confused. Many students are like this, with disturbed minds, with all these questions boggling in their minds. Hello everyone, myself Ishita. I'm an ACCA member, and today I'm here to clarify all these kinds of doubts regarding the ACCA course structure. Today we are going to talk in detail about everything, including the number of exams, the different levels, and the exam pattern and duration, and how and when are the exams conducted, and then the EPSM and the practical experience requirement, that is the PER. So, coming on first, we have the number of exams and the levels. ACCA has 13 exams in total. Now, when I say 13 exams, it does not mean that every student who registers for ACCA course has to appear for all these 13 exams. The number of exams that you have to appear depends upon your previous qualifications. For example, if you are 12th qualified, you have to appear for all the 13 exams, but if you are a BCom qualified or a graduate, BCom graduate, then you have to appear for only 9 exams out of total 13 exams. Similarly, there are many more such exemptions available on the basis of your qualifications, but that's the topic for discussion for another video or some another day, right? So, talking about the number of exams, there are 13 exams, and these are divided into three different levels, which are applied knowledge levels, applied skills levels, and then the strategic professional exams. Okay, so now let's talk in detail about all these levels and exams. First up, we have applied knowledge levels and the applied skills levels. The first four exams, that is, three exams from the applied knowledge levels and one exam from applied skills levels, that is business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting, and corporate and business law. These four exams, they have the duration of 2 hours and divided into two sections, section A and section B. Both the sections are completely multiple choice questions, multiple response questions, and the number field questions where you have to solve the question and fill the right answer in the box provided, and such similar kind of questions. These exams test your basic knowledge and prepare you better for the next level of exams. So, coming up next to the other five exams of the skills level, we have performance management, we have taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, and financial management. These exams have a duration of 3 hours and 15 minutes each, and they are divided into three sections, which are section A, section B, and section C. Section A consists of multiple choice questions, and section B is also multiple choice questions, but these are based on the scenarios provided to you in the question paper. Then section C is two questions of 20 marks each. These will be long questions. So if we take out a ratio of the MCQs to the long questions in these paper number 5 to 9, it comes up to 60 to 40. Next up, we have strategic professional exams. So these strategic professional exams are the most advanced level in the ACCA qualification. This is further divided into two categories, that is strategic essentials and strategic options. Strategic essentials, as the sound, they are compulsory for everyone. You do not have any option between these. They contain strategic business leader and strategic business reporting. Then we have the optional exams, ACCA has provided you the flexibility to choose any two exams among these four exams based upon your interests and abilities or your strong points, etc. These exams are advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation, or advanced audit and assurance. So let's talk in detail about these exams now. First up, we have Strategic Business Leader exam. So, Strategic Business Leader exam is a bit different from what we are used to in our typical exam patterns. This is a 4 hours integrated case study exam. Here you will be given information or background about a company, and then you will be given different exhibits. These exhibits could be emails between different stakeholders, or some reports, or some published accounts, or something, or it could be minutes of meetings, etc. And then you will be provided with different tasks or requirements that you have to accomplish on the basis of this information and the exhibits. Okay, so and this tasks or requirements mostly are could be asked to prepare some reports or to write some email to an executive, or you could be asked to analyze or evaluate something or something on the similar lines. Next up, we have SPR and options. So these exams again are 3 hours and 15 minutes each. They have two sections, section A and section B. Section A contains one question with 50 marks, and section B contains two questions with 25 marks each. These exams are also like, you will be given sort of three case studies or scenarios, and you will be given questions and sub questions which you will have to answer based on that typical case study. Okay, so now let's talk about how and when are these exams conducted. All the exams starting from paper number 1 to paper number 13, these are all computer based exams. There's no pen and paper exam in ACCA. Now let's talk about the first four exams. They are on demand exams. They are conducted in a licensed CBE center. We, London School of Business and Certified Accountants, we are a licensed CBE center. You can come to us and book your exam with us and give these four exams with us. So now, what's this on demand thing? We've not heard of it, right? So on demand exams means that there's no pre-decided date sheet or timetable for your exam. You can prepare for your exam, and when you're ready, you can call us, book your exam with us for even the next day, and then come and give your exam, or the result of your exam will be given to you as soon as you submit your exam. Isn't that great, right? So now let's come to the rest of the 9 exams. These are not on demand. They have a pre-decided date sheet provided by the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. They are conducted 4 times in a year, quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. And the results come out in the month following the month of exams. So, next up, yeah, we have an interesting point here. There are some professional qualifications in India which have grouping or aggregation system. But in ACCA, there's a good news. There is no grouping or aggregation system. You can even appear for one exam at a time and keep proceeding at your own pace. Usually, students take 2 exams in one time, but that's completely up to your choice. There's no such condition, although there is just an upper limit set that you cannot take more than 4 exams in one quarter, and you cannot take more than 8 exams in a single year. Okay, so now all the 13 exams have been completed. What's next? So apart from these 13 exams, ACCA has two other requirements, which are the EPSM and the PER. EPSM means Ethics and Professional Skills module. This is a non-null module. You have to watch some videos and or some do some readings and some other resources, and based on those resources you will be asked to answer some questions or complete some tasks or do some assignment, and then the module is done. Now next is the PER, or the practical experience requirement. The PER is of 3 years, and this PER you can do prior to, during, or after your clearing of 13 exams. So, prior experience, that could be your previous job or anything, and also like in Indian CA, there is an articleship experience, right? So, that articleship experience, if you have any, is also counted towards the PER of ACCA. And then the during period of your ACCA exams. So there could be some working professionals who want to continue their studies as well as want to continue with their jobs as well. So their practical experience requirement will be completed on the go, right? So now comes the after clearing of 13 exams part. In ACCA, there's no requirement that you have to be an ACCA member to get a job. You can even get a job when you're still an ACCA affiliate and get your 3 years of experience on your job and then become an ACCA member. In fact, a lot of our students started working when they were ACCA affiliates and then gained their experience and became ACCA members. So, if we see the timeline of ACCA, there are 13 exams. You clear those exams and you complete your ethics and professional skills module. Then you become an ACCA affiliate. So ACCA affiliate, when has 3 years of practical experience, then we can call him ACCA member. Now that all the questions regarding the ACCA course structure and how to proceed with the qualification are clear, the next question arises: how do I study? For that, join ACCA with LSBCA and LSBCA Global. London School of Business and Certified Accountants has been teaching ACCA since 2006. We have well qualified, trained, and experienced faculty members who will teach you for the exams and will be there with you for throughout your ACCA journey. A number of students have qualified ACCA from LSBCA and are now working with Big Four, MNCs, international banks in India as well as abroad. There are regular classes from Monday to Friday and mock tests on Saturday. There are also full-fledged whole syllabus mock tests after the end of the syllabus to prepare you better for the exam day. It's always better to fail before the exam so that you do not fail in the exam. Personal attention is given to each and every student of LSBCA. We do not just teach you for the exams, we prepare you and groom you for a better professional qualification or a better professional future. So, now, how do we offer the classes, right? So, if you want to take face to face classes, you are most welcome to join us on the campus in Panchkula. There will be regular classes, the teacher will be right in front of you, and you can interact with them. And for those who cannot come here to join us, there are regular online live interactive classes for you. There will be live real time interactions with the teachers, and you can solve your doubts in the class as well and coordinate with the teachers, right? And for those working professionals or the students who cannot join in the live sessions, LSBCA Globe offers recorded lectures so that you can study at your own pace and at your home. The lectures will be recorded by our experienced faculty members, and there will not just be the lectures, there will also be 3 to 4 fully evaluated mock tests. So, This was all for the ACCA course structure and all. I hope I could clarify your doubts and all. But still, if you have any other queries or doubts, please feel free to contact us. The contact details will be provided in the end of the video. Thank you so much.